Fun Run Deals. Today I'm going to be reviewing this penguin inspired ergonomic chair. It's got a double lumbar support here in the back. As you can see, you can lift up or down depending on your back needs, and it goes up to 1.9 inches. It also has nice folding armrests, so they're really nice, comfortable, and you can put them at any angle that you'd like. You can even put them all the way up. And this is great if you have a desk at home that is shorter, and with the armrests, sometimes they don't fit. So you can put it all the way up, so that way it can go all the way underneath your desk. So this is really nice. Then this chair also has a relaxing rocking system. There's a bottom wheel down here that you can relieve the tension or make it harder. So depending on your needs, you can do that. And right here is the button for it. You can free or lock it from rocking. So that's locked, and now this is the rocking sensation. So it's really nice. It's got a scientific backrest height, so it's really nice and perfect for your back. It's got silent PU covered casters, so that way it's silent when rolling and stuff, so that's really great. It's got breathable elastic mesh also, and it's got a nice soft sponge cushion. As you can see, it's very soft. This is a great chair. I love it. Sometimes, I have to stand a lot of, hours in front of the computer, editing and doing a lot of stuff. So this helps out a lot. Having a nice, comfortable chair to sit on is very important. As you can see, it's perfect, super easy to install. Oh, I forgot to mention too, it does go down, so depending on the height that you need, you can push it up or down, and it goes all the way around as well. So really great. Again, I love this chair and I highly recommend it. So I hope you enjoy. Bye.